So starting a garden can feel overwhelming, especially if you're not sure what to plant. So many beginners struggle, not because the garden is hard, but because they start with crops that are difficult, sensitive, or slow to produce. So in a less work garden system, success starts with choosing the right plants. So when you grow crops that are naturally productive, resilient, and forgiving, you build confidence quickly and reduce the amount of work it takes to get the results. So if you're just starting out, or if you just want a simple, reliable garden, here are the 10 best vegetables to grow. These are high-yield, low-effort crops that consistently perform well. So here are the top 10 that I recommend to my beginner garden students. Number 1 is tomatoes. Tomatoes are one of the most rewarding crops you can grow. When supported properly and grown in healthy soil, they produce heavily throughout the season. So growing them vertically keeps the fruit clean, improves airflow, and makes harvesting easy. All right, number 2 is cucumbers. Cucumbers grow quickly and produce a lot of food in a small space. So when grown on a trellis, they stay clean, are easier to pick, and take up very little room in the garden. Number 3 is lettuce. Lettuce is fast growing and can be harvested multiple times. It's one of the easiest crops to grow, especially when you plant in succession. So with consistent moisture and a little shade in the hot weather, it produces steadily with very little effort. All right, number 4 is green beans. Green beans are reliable and productive. Pole beans in particular grow vertically and produce over a really long period, giving you more food with less space and less work. All right, number 5 is kale. Kale is extremely hardy and continues producing even in cool temperatures. So you can harvest leaves over time, making it a consistent and dependable crop in the garden. Number 6 is Swiss chard. Swiss chard is similar to kale in that it produces continuously. It tolerates a wide range of conditions and is one of the easiest greens to maintain. Number 7 is zucchini squash. So zucchini is known for its high production. 1 or 2 plants can produce a surprising amount of food, making it a great choice for beginners. Number 8 is summer squash. So like zucchini, the summer squash grows quickly and produces heavily. It is a simple crop that rewards you with consistent harvest. Number 9 is butternut squash. So butternut squash can be grown vertically to save space and to keep the fruit clean. It stores well, giving you food long after the growing season ends. And number 10 is pumpkins. Pumpkins are fun to grow and can also be trained vertically with support. They're especially great for kids because they grow quickly and produce large, exciting fruit. These are all great crops to grow with your kids or grandkids, and it gives them garden success in the first season. So when you combine the right crops with simple, well-drained garden system, something important happens. The garden becomes easier, more productive, and much more enjoyable. So instead of struggling to get the results, you start to see success early and often. So that's the foundation of a less work garden. You don't make gardening easier by working harder, you make it easier by choosing the right plants and building a system correctly from the beginning. So if you want to learn the less work system that we use here on the farm, you can download our free guide, Grow More Food with Less Work, the 8-Step Abundance Garden System. You can find that in the description below.